Hello, my name is Inés María Betancourt Muñoz. I am 18 years old. Apart from a student, I have the project of micro interesting the artisanal jewelry I start this year. I live in Free Union. In general, I'm very optimistic, interpretive, cheerful. I live in Segovia, Colombia, South America. 1. George is older than his brother John. 2. Antioquia is more extensive than Caldas. True, it is more difficult for Eastern for him. 4. My car is newer than John's. 5. Reggaeton in Colombia is much popular than jazz or blues. 6. I am taller than my sister Alejandra. Thank you.